Hello everyone, and welcome back to Just Say English. I'm your host, Ramo, and today we're talking about one of the most important skills every learner needs: how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. Have you ever noticed how translation slows you down? You're trying to say something, but first, your brain forms the thought in your native language. Then you pause, translate it word for word, and by the time you find the English words, the moment has already passed. This happens to so many learners, and it creates frustration. You know the words, you understand the grammar, but still you struggle to speak naturally. The good news is this: you don't have to stay stuck in translation mode forever. In today's session, I'm going to break down why thinking in English matters, the mistakes that keep people stuck, and step-by-step methods you can use every day to train your brain to think like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. If you depend on your native language first, you'll always face a delay. Your brain is doing double the work, creating the sentence once in your own language, then again in English. And here's the truth: translation often doesn't even work word for word. Take an example. In English, we say, "I am cold." In some other languages, the same idea might literally translate as, "I have cold." Now, if you said that in English, it wouldn't sound natural. This is why thinking directly in English is such a game changer. When you practice it, you don't just save time. You also start to speak faster, your confidence grows, and you respond naturally in conversations. Thinking in English also makes listening easier, because your brain doesn't waste energy translating. You catch the meaning faster, whether you're in a conversation, watching a movie, or listening to a song. And let's not forget pronunciation. When your thoughts are in English, you begin to hear the sounds of English in your mind. This helps you pronounce words more clearly, because you're not mixing them with the sound patterns of your native language. So, to summarize, thinking in English boosts fluency, confidence, listening, and pronunciation. Now, before we talk about how to train your brain, let's address the mistakes that keep many learners stuck. Mistake 1: relying too much on translation. If you never let go of translation, your brain won't learn to create sentences in English. It's like riding a bicycle with training wheels forever, you never learn balance. Mistake 2: focusing too much on grammar while thinking. Of course, grammar matters. But if you stop every second to check whether your sentence is perfect, you lose fluency. Even native speakers don't think about grammar rules when they talk. They just speak. Mistake 3: fear of making mistakes. This is a big one. Some learners are so worried about sounding wrong that they avoid speaking altogether. But mistakes are the best teacher. Every error is a step toward improvement. Mistake 4: not surrounding yourself with English. If English only exists in your classroom or in a textbook, your brain will never switch naturally. You need daily exposure, music, movies, podcasts, books, so your brain begins to treat English as part of normal life. Now, let's move to the practical part. Here are 6 steps you can follow to build the habit of thinking directly in English. Step 1: name things around you. Look around your room. Say the words bed, table, phone, lamp. Then expand. I'm drinking water from a glass. This connects your daily life with English. Step 2: talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. When you're cooking, walking, or getting dressed, say what you're doing. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm cooking rice. It feels strange at first, but it works. Step 3: use an English to English dictionary. This is a powerful habit. Instead of translating, read the meaning in English. For example, look up the word excited. It might say, feeling very happy and eager. Now, your brain links English to English, not English to another language. Step 4. Think in simple sentences. Don't pressure yourself to create long, complex ideas right away. Start small. I need vegetables. Later, it will naturally grow into, I should go to the store because I need vegetables for dinner. Step 5. Build an English inner voice. Turn your thoughts into English conversations in your head. Ask yourself, what should I do first? What do I feel like today? It's like having a small dialogue with yourself, all in English. Step 6. Surround yourself with English. The more English you hear and read, the more natural it feels. Podcasts, music, YouTube, articles, novels, expose your brain to the language every single day. Now that you know the steps, let's talk about exercises you can do every day to lock this skill into your routine. Start and end your day in English. When you wake up, plan your day in English. Today, I have a meeting at 10. I'll have lunch with my friend. Before bed, review your day in English. Set a no translation rule for 30 minutes a day. Challenge yourself. For half an hour, think only in English. It's tough at first, but every day it gets easier. Talk to yourself aloud. Don't just think it, say it. I'm making tea. It smells great. Hearing yourself helps build confidence. Use English during simple activities. When you're cooking, exercising, or walking, keep your thoughts in English. The weather is nice. The sky is blue. I feel relaxed. Keep an English journal. Write down what happened today, your thoughts, or your goals. Don't worry about grammar, focus on expressing yourself. Of course, challenges will come. Let's talk about 3 big ones. Challenge 1. Your brain keeps going back to your native language. Solution. Start small. Think in single words or short phrases. And use an English-to-English dictionary to train your brain to stay in English mode. Challenge 2. You don't know the right word. Instead of stopping, describe it. Forget refrigerator. Say, the cold box where I keep food. Communication continues, and your brain stays in English. Challenge 3. Feeling like you're not making progress. Progress is slow and often invisible. Keep a journal, record your voice, or talk in front of a mirror. After a few weeks, you'll notice improvement. Thinking in English is not magic, it's a skill. And like any skill, it takes patience, practice, and consistency. Start small. Keep going, even if it feels awkward. Don't be afraid of mistakes, because they're part of the journey. So, let me ask you, which tip from today are you going to try first? Share your answer in the comments. And if you found this session helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English for more tips. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy learning.